Heyo, it's me Harper Savage, and today is day 3 of 12 days of arts and coffees. It's where I do an art and or craft and drink some coffee, so cozy up and chill with me. So today I'm going to be working on this interesting craft that I found. It's a Suncatcher, but you bake it? I have no idea. This is the first time I've ever seen something like this, but I went down the kids aisle at Michael's and found out there's like a whole section of these things, and I got another one that's a dragon because they're awesome. So I'm gonna be doing this today, but first we need our coffee. Today's coffee is Brooklyn's Fudge chocolate flavored coffee. I hope it's better than the gingerbread one that we had yesterday by this brand. I really do. Let's go ahead and make our coffee. If I can get it out. All right, here it is. It smells a lot like the artificial like chocolate smell, like in breakfast cereals and stuff, like Cocoa Puffs and Cocoa Pebbles, you know, the not real chocolate smell. That's really good. Okay, I have no idea how to do this, so let's go ahead, cut it open, and read the instructions. We're gonna be working on the Snowflake first because this is on theme here. So it's a metal thing, and it comes with the string for later and packets of colors. They look like little crystals or plastic diamonds with like the tip, like the princess cut. You know what I'm talking about. Let's read the instructions. Oh, I have read the instructions. And I need a cookie sheet. I am back. I got my cookie sheet here with my parchment paper already on it. I use this for clay all the time, so it was already pre-ready for me. So I'm gonna place my snowflake off to the side here because I know I'm gonna probably do the other one and I won't be able to scooch it around with all the crystals laying in it. Get a zoomy in, shall we? Now I also grabbed a etch art pencil thing because I think it'll come in handy with moving the like crystal diamond thingies around. I wish it came with a funnel or an easier way to pour these in here because I can already tell I'm gonna spill everywhere. Now, it doesn't look like it at first, but there are different amounts of crystals in here, so I might have to do it in the color order that they want me to do it in. I thought I was gonna have some freedom here and do whatever colors I wanted, but looks like there's way more navy because there is more navy. Or royal. I guess it dries to be royal blue in the end. More purple than the other two colors. Alright, let's, go ahead and spill these everywhere. I don't know if I'm supposed to use every single bead or just until it's full. I already got, I feel like I need some wax. Like I'm doing a diamond painting. I know what's gonna happen is I'm gonna accidentally smack this and everything's gonna go flying. I can kind of move it around. Like, if I can get all the colors into their section and then I can spread them out, I guess. Let me know if you've ever done this craft. It's interesting. It's way cooler than the other kind of Suncatcher. But will it give, better results? I also low-key want to mix some colors. Now, how am I supposed to get that? Without flinging everything everywhere. Good thing I didn't clip my nails down. Well, I already did it wrong. Oh my god. Hey, get over into the other side. Diamonds were trying to tell me something. I was doing it wrong. Oh my goodness. It's flying. Don't want to push on it too much because I will flip it and it'll go everywhere. It doesn't really say how full it should be. A bit worrisome. Because I feel like we're gonna have leftovers. Let's do the navy next. It's tough because I feel like I can't set the bag down without all the diamonds going everywhere while fixing a mistake. Oh my god. Like that. Oh, Jesus. Could I stop spilling them, please? And they want children to do this? I have not picked this up without spilling a bead successfully yet. Oh my god, what? What happened? Guess my finger was in there or my nail or something. Well, totally didn't cut the seal. I'm just scared because this baggie is so small. Oh my god, I just spit a bunch out into different pots. It's fine. Did I do this one wrong? Oh my god, I think I did. Did these two wrong? Didn't I correct this? Oh dear lord. Worry about that in a minute. Can't wait for those tiny spots. See, it's not so bad once the bag isn't so full that every diamond's gonna fly out of there. All right, gotta fix both of these. I swear I already fixed them once. I don't know how I messed it up again unless I didn't actually fix them. I'm trying to avoid them flying everywhere. Maybe I'll just scooch them out. I was trying to just hop them over to the correct side, but that's not working. All right, that wasn't so bad. Now this one, going everywhere but the one I wanted in. Maybe tweezers would work better. All right, now we have this lighter colored one that I'm kind of regretting not doing first. Those of these tiny little spots it goes into. Let's get some tweezers. Maybe that'll help. Those go in there. Leave those. All right, I think the tweezers are gonna help. Oh my god. All right, they're all officially filled in, but now I need to fill them up some more, I think, so there's no holes or gaps. Okay, the snowflake is done, and now we're gonna move on to the dragon. There are a lot of leftover diamonds, and I'm not sure if that's supposed to be like that, in case like you spill or something. It is like the Creatology brand, so it's not really for the more mature people. So it could just be extras in case you drop some or something. I'm gonna just turn this away so I don't knock it. I do want to point out this one's a resealable bag, and the other one wasn't. I don't know why that is. I didn't even get it out of the package. Yep. Oh gosh, the dragon might be bigger than the snowflake. And this one comes with a suction cup instead of a string. Here are my colors. We got blue. These are different. These are tubes and the other ones are diamond cuts. So I just want to point that out there, and they're in a different kind of bag too. We have like a teal turquoisey color. We have yellowish. We have pink, and we have purple. So let's see if I like the tubes better than the diamonds. Also, let's make sure the instructions are the same so I can put these in at the same time. So the snowflake is 365 and the dragon is 375, so I could just leave it in there longer, I guess. This one actually, the instructions on this one actually gives you an alternative way to fill the sections. It says use a teaspoon or straw cut at an angle to fill each section with color of your choice. This one says cover cookie sheet with smooth aluminum foil. That's interesting. Well, we're gonna follow the instructions of the other one and test to see if it really matters if it's aluminum or parchment. So we learned from the last one that we should probably do the smaller sections first. Well, that's what I'm gonna do. I will say that these are already easier for me to grab with the tweezers too. And these bags are resealable. Perfect. I think I'm gonna make the eyes yellow too. In the example, it doesn't really look like they have a fill in the eyes at all, but I feel like this yellow is kind of a waste, only being in the wings. I also low-key want to make the horns yellow. Reminds me a little bit of Spyro, you know? Purple dragon and all, so I think his horns are yellowish. Let's see if we have enough beads to do it first before I make this decision. Don't spill them everywhere first. Jesus. So our dragon here originally had these light blue horns. I think it's this color here, but I'm gonna do that for the scales instead of the other blue color because I'm kind of over blue right now, as you can see. Well, I threw them everywhere. I do wish that I had more of this color. I would have done the whole dragon in this color. It's a nice color. I will be disappointed if it dries more blue like in the example. All right, now let's fill it up with purple. I don't throw them everywhere. Oh my gosh, I'm throwing them everywhere. Now you might have noticed I left the tips, and that's because I want to see if I can kind of make these two colors almost blend together. I thought it'd be interesting. Alright, I'm gonna go and stick these in the oven. I'll be back in a few seconds. Alright, I'm back, and I'm gonna show you what happened. So here's this one. It does not look that bad. There are holes. Hard to tell. But there are holes in this one. Like, up there. They're everywhere. It's not bad. It really isn't that bad. And then we have this one. It's pretty bad. There are holes everywhere. I can't believe this is not falling out anywheres, and it's all attached. I don't know what happened. I felt like I packed it in pretty well, and I actually had these baking for like an hour because it wouldn't melt, and I'm not sure what I did wrong, but I spent a long time on the baking process, so I'm just gonna call it. This is a bit of a failed project, but I still did a project here. So here's the suction cup and the string. Again, I think this project was pretty fun. It was just very tedious and it didn't really melt right. I wish I had included like a funnel or like the straw like the instructions had recommended using to put the beads in their places, but other than that, I think it was like pretty okay-ish project. But anyways, that's gonna be it from me today. I finished off my coffee a while ago, hours ago at this point. If you want to check out another cool video, you can go ahead and tap the video here, and if you want to catch up on anything you missed, you can go ahead and tap the video here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTube things of comment, liking, and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!